religion you follow?
I want to come back to Islam because I've done, my father's Christian, so.
Your father. And when you the whole time?
No, I stayed for like 10 years.
10 years. How old are you? 16. انت او حزق على كاك حزق من بين شهاده من بين شهاده المسلمان لما جينا متى يزور قبرك اخوي قبر وراستي
Your mother Muslim?
Yes.
Your mother.
انا باوكي كريستيانا بس اخوي ترى هنا just explain to the brothers we are Kurdish community and we speak Arabic and Kurdish. You speak Arabic? No. استنى علي حزق مشاهدين كاك اخوي هاتوا ان شاء الله يتم عنوان رقم شكاين ولا جديد بس يتم باول كمان مستعد تجيك just point your finger like that. You know اخوي هاتوا موت الديار الزاني. You know about Islam? Many things. Yeah?
My sister's downstairs right now.
Okay, your sister. Okay, brother. Just start up, brother. كاك ايوه الشهاده نعم في اول حزق مسلمان بي ما شاء الله ان شاء الله باش هذا كيجي باش ان شاء الله كاوي كيف تكبير اشهد ان لا اله الا الله واشهد ان محمدا رسول الله.
الله أكبر. الله أكبر. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations.
Please welcome. Please welcome. I'm very happy to meet you, brother. Ryan is my son. Ryan, he's 16 years. He'll be your best friend, okay? Where do you live? South East. Okay, no problem. You live in Tunisia? أنا أنا